All right, what's up, guys? So I'm back with another video. This is my truck. If it's the first time here, welcome. If you see my old videos, this truck has been lowered. This truck has been lifted, leveled. I think the last video I uploaded was me putting a huge lift on this thing. That didn't work out. I'm way more of a lowering guy. So this is an IHC lowering kit. Well, mainly an IHC lowering kit. So this is a new body style. This is an 08 Sierra. And in the front, I have the IHC control arm drop. So it's supposed to be a 5-inch drop up here with the upper and lower control arm. I don't think it's 5. To me, it just doesn't look as aggressive as 5. But that's what it calls for. So I'm going to call it a 5-inch drop in the front, which 4-ish, 5. And in the back, I had to do some finagling back here to make it look even with the front. Because I don't know what's up on my truck, but if you put a flip kit on my truck and you go with your stock hanger into your stock shackle into the stock hanger back there, it tucks the wheels hard. Like, I mean, it tucks them and it squats the truck. All right, and I wasn't trying to lower the front anymore because I love the front where it stays. So I'm gonna show you I'm gonna pop under here and show you guys how I had to lower this thing. So let's get under here. All right, so as you can see here, this right here is the drop hangers. So these drop hangers, you can find them on eBay or with some kits, but these drop hangers are for a flip kit, plus you install these to make it like 5 or 6 inches, where it's to the highest setting, so it should be 6 inches. And then the back still wasn't low enough, so instead of using a stock shackle, I used a 1-inch lift shackle. It pulled the leaf spring up and it lowered it some more. So that's how I lowered the back, with this little gap, which to me looks pretty good to like even out with this. So let me show you my front drop, my IHC drop. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. All right, so this is the IHC lower and upper control arms. It comes with new ball joints. It comes with like a sway board length that's shorter, and it comes with 2 different ways to do it. So it'll come with a spacer to space like underneath the strut here. And if you space it, supposedly it's supposed to be a 4-inch drop. But when I did that, it just didn't look right. It wasn't low enough. So I took that spacer away and it's a 5-inch drop. So it's still a stock spindle and it's a stock strut, and it's the control arms that actually drop it. And it gives you like a really good alignment. And this thing rides so good this way. Because I had a Beltec drop on it before, and the Beltec drop rode good. I had a McGaughy's drop on it too. Everything rode good, but nothing rode as good as this. Like, I feel like I'm driving a stock truck. Let me do a walk around just to show you guys the truck. That thing sits really, really good. I like it a lot. This is the best form of drop that I've did to my truck so far that I like. I think it's just perfect. I'll do a walk around in the back. And yes, I did C-notch it, because I know some guys are going to ask, is it C-notched? I bought the IHC Weld In C-Notch. Let me show you. So, let's see, let me get back here. So as you can see there, it is notched. So that is the IHC Weld In C-Notch. So I have no clearance issues whatsoever. And then I went with the IHC lowering shocks. So these shocks are pretty cheap. I used to have some Beltec Streets on here, which were great. I had a set of Rogue Country's lowering shocks. They weren't that great. They blew out. But these are really good. They're cheap and they ride great. This whole kit rides great. Let's see. So back here, that's just the flip kit right here. The flip kit is just an eBay flip kit. Man, I'll probably pay $60 for this flip kit. So this flip kit flipped the whole rear, like I said, but it's just the shackle stuff I had to mess with. Ugh. I have no bottoming out issues whatsoever now that I C-notched it. So I used to have bottoming out issues if I would tow something or put something a little heavy behind the truck, or even have people in the back seat. Like, too many people, it would kind of hit on some bumps, but no issues whatsoever now. It sits real low in the back. I really like that. And I can't brag enough on the ride of this. I know IHC, so I've seen some forums where they say IHC Some people don't prefer it over other ones. I tried it out. I love it. This kit's amazing to me. But yeah, this oh, and that is some 22s, 305 with the tires, the 305, 40, 22. You see that right there. So 22-inch Denali wheels. But yeah, this is it. If you have any questions or whatever, I'm here to help. I've been through the lowering game. I've done everything possible for you, like your basic lowering kits for this truck. So if you have any questions, I probably have the answer. From what shackles to run, what shackles going to run, how low you're going to get back here, if you need to notch it. I've been on a poor man's drop in the front where I put a 2-inch eBay spindle and I put the strut underneath the control arm. I've done that. I'm on the IHC drop now. I was on a Beltec adjustable drop. I was on a McGawy's adjustable drop. I'm pretty fluid in the drops. If you have any questions about that, put it in the comments below and I'll comment back. Other than that, this truck has been so good to me. I just rebuilt the motor and stuff. I'm gonna make another video of, I put a chopper copper cam in it. This thing cams, it chops real good. I got the side exit exhaust, so I'll put a video of that later. But yeah, if you have any questions or whatever, leave it down below. Like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Later.